The INFINITI Q50 uses a smart key system for keyless entry and ignition. Programming a new or replacement key fob typically requires professional assistance due to the vehicle's immobilizer technology. DIY methods are generally unreliable and can cause issues. As of 2025, Infinity uses a sophisticated encryption to prevent unauthorized access. Programming is usually done by an authorized dealer or locksmith with the proper OEM tools. The process involves syncing the fob with the car's computer, ECU, and BCM. Attempts to bypass this process can void warranties or trigger anti-theft systems. Infinity does not currently offer consumer-accessible apps for key programming. Key fobs communicate with the vehicle via radio frequencies, using 314 MHz or 433 MHz signals for secure authentication. The programming process uses diagnostic tools like the Nissan Consult 3 or IV. A technician connects the tool to the vehicle and follows prompts to register the key fob by entering specific codes or cycling the key in the ignition. Trends are shifting toward digital keys accessible via smartphones. Infinity is piloting NFC-based smartphone keys, allowing pairing through the Infinity app in select markets. Future models may include biometric integration like fingerprint or facial recognition for ignition. Over-the-air updates and AI diagnostics enable remote key management and predictive maintenance. Rechargeable fobs with solar panels represent a move towards sustainability.